Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone if it doesn't work with the NVIDIA app. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and try recording it yourself right here. Type in recorder, like so. Click on sound recorder. Now just go ahead and start recording, okay? Like hello. Make sure that it is working right here. Now, go back, open up the NVIDIA app. Again, if it's working, open up the NVIDIA app. If it's not working, you might want to try to unplug and plug your mic back in, okay? And check if that helps. If that worked, you might want to try to use it on another device if it works. If it works, well, the problem is in your computer. If it doesn't work on other devices, well, the problem is in the microphone itself, okay? Now, going back, if the microphone is working under the recording software, where you can go ahead and go to the NVIDIA app and just press an Alt-Z. Like so. Make sure that microphone right here is set to always on. And once done, go to the cogwheel, click on audio, and here make sure that the volume is relatively high. Okay. And once done, select the source, select the microphone that you would like to use. And if the gain volume is much louder, you can always use the boost right here. Okay. That's basically it. That's how you fix your microphone if it's not working here in the NVIDIA app. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.